Hey everyone, I'm so excited to do another unboxing video for a 2026 planner. So let's get into the video. I'm really excited about my 2026 planner selections. If you missed my previous video, make sure that you go check it out. I unboxed the 2026 Lay Flat Dream Planner from Horatio Planning. Make sure that you go check that out after you watch this video. But if you're new here, first things first, my name is Debronetta, and I love all things planning. Here on my channel, I share pieces of my life with the hope of helping you to balance, grow, and succeed in yours. I do love that the packaging is very minimal for this particular planner. I know when I unboxed the Dream Planner, I was very excited about the packaging and the aesthetic. Not so much for this particular planner, but I know it's going to be a good one. I actually have used this planner in the past. I love that the planner brands come with like a little card. It just has a little bit of information about the goal planner. When I had this planner previously, it was in rotation with a lot of different planners. And I think it kind of got lost in the sauce, but I am excited about it this year. When I do some planner picks, lives, and comparison videos, I will share the first kind of edition of this planner with you all. It does not come with a dust bag or anything like that. Usually I don't prefer the planners with the coils like this. There's a planner brand that I use that has kind of individual thicker coils, and that works a little better for me. But this, I do believe this is a good quality planner. That aside, right, it's just kind of like a personal preference. I don't think it'll be a problem. I love the color. This is berry. And if you're looking for this planner online, I will leave it linked in the description. But it is the 2026 One-Year PowerSheets Goal Planner. It does come in a few different colors, navy bloom, leaf, acorn, and snowfall. Again, this is the berry color. It comes with a little extra card. It says my word of the year. This will come in handy because I do write either a scripture, a word of the year, something inspirational, and I put it on my mirror in my bathroom. It's interesting because I've collected quite a few over the years, and yeah, it just keeps me grounded. And from year to year, I'll go back and reflect on what happened throughout the year, the things that I've been able to accomplish, the things I've overcome. So it works for me. Let me know in the comments if you create a word of the year. So I won't do a complete flip through of this particular planner, but so far I love the floral against the berry. It is gold, like the other planner that I unboxed. It does come with a few stickers. It tells you the 2026 holidays for each month. I like this. And this planner comes with just this one sticker sheet that you see here. One of the things that you'll notice is that this is not a traditional planner. What I've found is that planners are great for like day-to-day tasks, appointments, and activities. This is a goal planner. So it's called PowerSheets. I believe that is trademarked for this particular planner brand, but the focus is around your goals. It's really designed to help you cultivate your goals and to accomplish them. So it gives you a brainstorming section, some encouragement. Ooh, reflect. I love this. I'm big on learning from the past, the things that went well, the things that challenged you. So this will come in handy. I will do a deep dive within my community and go through how to best use this planner. It's one thing to invest, right, in a planner. It's another thing to use it to help drive your goals forward. So here you create like your yearly goals. Oh, I love it. It's time to bloom. I won't go into all of the details, but this whole first section, oh wow, I'm just seeing that. This whole first section is like setting your year up for success before you even get into the monthly section. So you do a lot of prep work around your goals before you even start the year, and then it gets into January. I love that it kind of helps you with color coding inherently. So I need to make sure I have highlighters that are in this colorway. But yeah, so it's really designed to help you accomplish your goals more so than just plan your day. So November gets into December. Let's see what's in the back. Oh, just some, ooh, this is cute. I like it. 2026 year in review. This is a nice planner. This is a nice goal setting tool. I won't call it a planner because it is far more than that. If you have this planner, let me know in the comments if you've used it in the past. Also, let me know in the comments. I'm looking forward to just sitting with some of the sections of this planner and the other planners that I've purchased so that I can do a review for you all and provide some, feedback, recommendations if you are considering these planners. So make sure that you hit subscribe. If you have questions, let me know those in the comments as well. Happy planning, y'all, and I will speak to you in the next video.